So if you ride a folding bike and it starts squeaking when you ride it around, they've built a tightening mechanism into the latch on most of these folding bikes. This is a Dahon jack. So here's how you adjust that to get the squeak to stop, because it's embarrassing. So you open up your bracket. Now if you take a close-up look at the bracket, you'll see this part is threaded into that part. And you'll also see a place where you can put a screwdriver. So really simple. You turn it lefty loosey, righty tighty. So if you want to tighten it up, you just turn it this way. If you want to loosen it, which I don't know why you would, you turn it the other way. So all you got to do is go in there and just give it a little bit of a turn, because a little bit goes a long way with these. You turn it a little bit, then you put it on, ride it around, see if it squeaks. If it squeaks, turn it a little bit more, turn it a little bit more until you get it dialed in. You don't want to turn it too much and have it too tight on there, because you might break it when you try to put your bike back together. But once you've got it figured out, then you just do that every couple of years and you will be riding squeak free. There we go, squeak free on the bike path. Nobody's pointing and laughing at me right now. Actually, they probably are. I still look ridiculous on this thing.